welcome to Scott Patric Beauty. I'm here with my good friend Tatjana, and we are making some beautiful holiday makeup. We're playing up Tatjana's gorgeous green peepers and with a soft, beautiful lip from DIOR that is heaven. Excited? Okay, I've got an extra special guest star today, and it's from DIOR, and it's beautiful.
It's a highlight?
It is a contour and a warm bronze.
On top of the
Right on
bronze.
top. That looks gorgeous on you. And a trick for your eyes is always taking a little bit of your contour and just pulling it up all together. And that way your eyes just don't look like they're floating, all like part of the magic. We've got that beautiful bronze, we've got that beautiful contour, and I want a little bit of magic. So I've got Impudique from NARS. It's gorgeous. It's just like the Orgasm, but it's got like a little bit more pigment for the holidays. So, I only use it like right there and there, because we already have the contour from. Really beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Magic, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of extra special holiday is YSL, and it is a cream cheek, and it's beautiful.
I love to apply everything with my finger.
Me
I
too.
swear. You feel the face when you like using your fingertips.
Love it. I love what I call the cheek trifecta. We've got the contour, got the beautiful bit of sunshine, and now we need the highlight to just draw in the light. So I'm using the RMS Living Luminizer. And it's gorgeous, it's a cream, and it looks beautiful on your skin. And instead of using something dry, it just adds another layer of that luminosity.
Layering give you like 3D effect, right?
And that way, when you are strutting down the street from a block away, you gleam and glow, and
Hey, stranger.
it looks gorgeous. One of Marilyn Monroe's beauty tricks was always using like a little bit of Vaseline right on her cheeks and right on her lid, and that way, it just gives that
Catches
play
the
of
light.
light.
She was the inventor.
Tatjana, you are a knockout.
Yay!
It's magic, right? That pop on that eye. I've got Violet Voss Vibes, which is one of my new favorites. And it's insane. Wonderful.
Happy and vibrant.
And they're strong colors, but I'm still doing it in a classic way. So it's still about that V. It's insane.
There you go. Right there.
Right. Beautiful. 7. These colors are so strong, I just want to dress them up a little bit with a little bit of YSL. A little bit of sparkle, magic. Mascara, do the honors.
How do you call this one?
The real.
The real. Mm-hmm. I like a lot of mascara.
Go for it, baby. I love the eye. I love those gorgeous cheeks. I've got a perfect lip. It is Stellar Shine Clair de Lune.
DIOR.
And I am living for these Stellar Shines. They're just the perfect combination of a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of holiday and a little bit of love. Give it a go. Beautiful.
Wow. I
Love.
love this color.
What a gorgeous makeup.
Gorgeous, gorgeous makeup. Gorgeous job.
Yeah. You got it. Tatjana, you are gorgeous.
Thank you, Scott, for making me beautiful.
You are beautiful.
It's still me.
Still you,
Still me.
just a little bit extra here and there. So, thank you for watching Scott Patric Beauty. This is me and my good friend Tatjana. Did a gorgeous holiday makeup that played up Tatjana's eyes with just that little bit of Clair de Lune lip that is just fantastic. Thank you for watching.